Collins just agreed to be in my new film. You only had 2 seconds, but I took my chance. You can't make a film in Ireland, as I have, without it being different. There's something about the Irish that makes storytelling an experience beyond the words of images and screen. To quote from The Commitments, it's got to have soul, but it's got to have Irish soul. And all of us know how special that is. And the IFTA goes to the Eclipse.
That man gave me my first job in the film business, actually. So, genuinely, I know everybody says this, but I wasn't expecting to be up here making this speech, so I have prepared nothing. But I'd like to start by thanking the members of the Academy who voted for this film. It was a strange proposition at the outset, and one of our biggest supporters was Simon Perry at the Irish Film Board. So I'd like to thank him. I'd also like to thank Jane Gogan at RTE. They were also substantial investors in the film. I'd like to thank the Broadcasting Commission, who gave us quite a chunk of money as well. It was great fun making this film. We had a brilliant time down in Cork, and I'd like to thank the people at Cove and the Foot Island Resort, who were fantastic to us. This journey started. Connor was talking about being down in Billy's house and being up in the bedroom writing scripts. The first time we went down, we got lost. And I think it was the only time we got lost on this film because it had a charmed life. I'd also like to thank Rebecca O'Flanagan here, who did all the hard work so I could do a lot of the fun stuff. I'd like to give a shout out to David Kwok from the Tribeca Film Festival, who's here in the audience. They gave the film its start. I'd also like to say what a pleasure and what a fun thing it was to be working with Billy and Connor on this film, and to see them do their thing. It was really magic. To be working with Kieran Hines, who's one of the nicest men in the world and a really great actor, and with Aidan Quinn and with Eben Yala. I'm sure I've forgotten loads of people, but this is a real thrill, so thank you very, very much.
Totally psyched, overwhelmed, thrilled. Absolutely.
It was very stiff competition, and everyone says it, but we genuinely didn't expect anything, so we're just kind of blown away by it all. It's brilliant. It's fantastic.
Does it make all the hard work worthwhile?
All the hard work had been, this sounds like a corny thing to say, but it had been worthwhile even beforehand. So this is just the icing on the cake for us because, it was a fantastic experience making the film. The film, we're so proud of it and it's played so well everywhere.
It's done us so many favours everywhere.
So to have this as the kind of final point so far is really, a major thrill for us.
I like that you said so far as well.
Yeah, it's not over yet.
Yeah.
Are there any more awards here tonight? Can we pick up anything else?